Alright, so check this out. We left off, we were doing cage work on that stuff right there so we could hold the fuel cell. Fuel cell's right in there, yeah. Storage, you know how it goes. Weather here in Colorado, you never know. Sometimes you get blue skies, sometimes you don't. I got one for you. Sandpaper sanding disc tip. Okay, here we are. We got some sanding. We got a 5-inch there, and we got a small 3-inch sander. These are pretty common. Everybody's using these to clean up rusty frames and, you know, grind metal and do whatnot. Usually they're just a twist lock arbor. What I like to do is I like to get like a fairly good worn out disc. And I got an iron worker, so it's easy, but I go punch a hole in it. And then what I do is I take my brand new abrasive disc that I'm going to be using, and I stick that one on the back side of it. So yep, you got abrasives on the back and the front. And it's really nice for you get in these tight areas where you can't really, you know, you can't get the inside edge of that bumper. You just take this puppy, flip it, and you can run right on the edge of that and get things cleaned up. So yeah, that's a hot tip. I do that on my 3 inches and on my 5-inch. It's an old cutoff wheel there in case I need to do a little extra hard grind on something. Anyway, there's a good tip for you. Those little silly sanding discs. dude, that was barely sweaty. Anyway, I think we got it all welded up. Yeah. That's what we got done. Didn't even get my shirt dirty. Managed to pull that off. Scooby-Doo to the rescue. Anyway, the shirt here is Score International. Heading out. Bronco videos are going to have to take a pause. Going to the Baja 500. I'll be there for a whole week doing radio communications.